How to turn on dark mode on your iPhone. So there's a light and dark mode that comes with iPhone, and it's real easy to switch. So what you can do is go to your settings, and you want to scroll down until you see where it says display and brightness. And from here, you can just go ahead and choose dark, and it'll automatically go to dark, go back to light. You can have it set on automatic, so it will automatically change as it becomes sunset and things like that, where it'll just automatically go to dark. But another way that you can do this is have this on dark or light, but if your apps are in dark and you want your apps specifically to be in dark mode, what you can do is click and hold outside of the apps here on any one of your pages. Go to edit at the top left-hand corner and go to customize. And what this is going to do is you can actually change your apps themselves to a dark mode as well. So your phone will be on light mode, but your apps can also be in dark mode at the same time. So that's it. Super simple.